crochet lovers. If you enjoy cute and creative crochet ideas like this one, make sure to subscribe right now. Don't miss our daily crochet inspiration. Just look at this adorable piece. Isn't it so satisfying to make? If you want a full-free pattern video, simply comment free pattern below and I'll drop it soon. Also, if you love what you see, hit that like button. It really helps our crochet family grow and keeps me motivated to share more ideas with you. And hey, if you haven't yet, seriously, tap subscribe and join our growing crochet community. You will get endless inspiration for your next project.